Hello my beautiful people, it's Dana here. How are you this week? And today I wanted to present you a new rubrics which is called the Newbie Guide. I would try to keep it simple and actually cover all those topics from the very beginning. Also, if you could leave all those topics that you are interested in the comments below, I would really appreciate that. Nowadays, a lot of people are interested in investing. However, there might be some reasons that may stop you from it. Actually, today I'm going to show you the best reasons to start investing for you right now, or at least be a little bit more aware about it. So let's jump right into them. So the first reason is making money for your retirement, or simply saying being financially independent. At some point of life you would have to stop working. The question is whether you would be forced to stop without being financially prepared, or whether you actually would choose it on your own. Actually, investing gives you an opportunity to do this on your own and basically makes you more financially independent. Actually, it might be a good additional source of income, or if you decided to do it on a daily basis, your primary source. It's all up to you. So the second reason is earning compound interest, or money makes money. Actually, imagine that you invested $100 in a company and it has an annual return of 15%. So this year you got $115. However, the next year with the same annual return, you multiply $115 by 15% and actually get more money, because money makes money. It's pretty cool that you can earn money just on the interest rate over time. So the third reason is developing the financial discipline. Actually, you have to be financially educated and know precisely what you are spending on. Investing helps you to understand and make your spending more rationally, because it helps you to earn more with spending less. So the fourth reason is risk mitigation. Actually, it's not a secret that holding cash might be risky today in terms of inflation, devaluation, and other things. Actually, not a long time ago, I was reading the interview that Warren Buffett gave to the New York Times. There he was saying that nowadays people who are holding cash, they feel really comfortable. Well, they shouldn't. Even though the 20th century was pretty unstable for the world because it was having a lot of events going on, still the Dow rose from 60 to 11,497. Can you imagine that? So you can see that the market is expanding and it might be a good long-term investment. So keep that in mind. And the last one, but not the least, is actually having some fun. Yes, that's simple. From my personal experience, I can say that investing is very interesting. At first, all these numbers and charts seem so complicated, and yet they are complicated. However, there is one thing that my mom always tells me. You have to love what you're doing. You have to be passionate about it, and only in this case you are going to succeed. And the same with investing. Once you're gonna get into it, you're gonna love it for sure. And it's not about only numbers and charts. It's more about expanding your understanding of the world. It's more about understanding of how the market is working and also what does affect the price. So keep in mind that you have to be passionate about what you are doing, and you're gonna succeed in this case. So those were my 5 top reasons to start investing right now. Hopefully now you want to start, and actually put this video a big thumb up. Comments and suggestions, I really appreciate it. I will see you next time, and in the next video we're gonna talk about some myths that people have about investing. So please subscribe in order not to miss any updates, and I will see you next week. So bye.